Imagine this for a second. You spend months promoting your business, posting on social media, tweaking your ads, updating your website, and trying every new tactic you hear about. But no matter how hard you push, people still don't really get what you do. They remember the posts, but they don't remember you. They see your offers, but something just doesn't click enough for them to buy. And deep down, you start wondering, is it my marketing or is there something deeper going on here? Hi, this is Farhad, and at Six Dimensions, we help businesses attract great clients without wasting money on ads using our Six Dimensions system that makes marketing and growth simple. And today, I want to help you get crystal clear on one of the biggest sources of confusion for business owners, something that quietly slows down sales, weakens your message, and makes your marketing feel heavier and more expensive than it needs to be. And by the way, stick with me until the end, because I've got a powerful free resource for you that will help you build a brand foundation that actually sells. It's called Essential Business Branding, and it'll guide you through the exact building blocks you need to create a brand that people instantly trust and remember. Now let's talk about the difference between branding and marketing, because once you understand this difference, everything in your business becomes simpler. Your message becomes clearer. Your offers start to land. Your marketing finally starts working with you instead of against you. And your customers start choosing you not because you popped up in their feed, but because something about you just feels right. Here's the truth most people miss. Branding and marketing are not the same thing. And when you treat them like they are, you end up pushing your business uphill. See, branding is not a logo. It's not your colors. It's not your fonts. Those are expressions of your brand, but they're not the brand itself. Branding is your identity. It's who you are in the mind and heart of your customer. It's how people describe you when you're not in the room. It's how they feel about you before they ever look at your pricing, your process, or your features. Marketing, on the other hand, is simply the act of getting attention. It's how you show up. It's how you tell your story. It's how you promote your offers. Marketing is short-term. Branding is long-term. Marketing asks people to look your way. Branding gives them a reason to stay. A lot of business owners invest heavily in marketing, posting, promoting, running ads, but they skip the branding part. And when that happens, marketing becomes expensive, exhausting, and unpredictable. It's like trying to pour water into a bucket with a hole in the bottom. Marketing brings the water. Branding is the bucket. Without the bucket, nothing sticks. Here's an easier way to think about it. Branding is your reputation. Marketing is your communication. Branding is what customers believe about you. Marketing is what you say about yourself. Branding is slow, steady, and emotional. Marketing is fast, loud, and tactical. Branding creates loyalty. Marketing creates visibility. Branding makes people trust you. Marketing reminds them you exist. And this is why you might notice some brands barely advertise, but everyone knows them, loves them, and buys from them. That's branding at work. And then you see other businesses post every day, run ads nonstop, and still struggle to get traction. That's a lack of branding. One of the most powerful psychological truths in business is this: people don't buy the best product. They buy the product they connect with the most. That connection does not come from marketing tactics. It comes from your brand identity, your story, your values, what you stand for, the personality your business carries, the emotional experience people feel when they interact with you. And just like any relationship, The emotional part is what creates loyalty. Imagine you meet someone new. They talk a lot. They pitch themselves. They try to impress you. Sure, you might remember some of what they said, but now imagine someone else who doesn't just talk, but makes you feel understood, makes you feel seen, makes you feel like you're in the right place with the right person. Who do you trust more? Who do you follow? Who do you come back to? That's branding. It's influence without force. There's a powerful persuasion concept called the identity bridge. It means people don't just want solutions, they want solutions that match the identity they want to have. When your brand reflects the identity your customers desire, they naturally choose you over others. You don't even have to push. They move towards you on their own. Now, marketing does play a huge role. Once your brand identity is clear, marketing becomes easier, cheaper, and far more effective. Suddenly, your posts hit harder. Your ads become more profitable. Your emails feel more natural. Your website feels more trustworthy. Everything flows because your marketing is now grounded in a solid brand foundation. But branding must come first. Think of branding as the heart of your business. Marketing is the voice. The voice can only say what the heart believes. If the heart is unclear, the voice sounds confused, and customers can feel confusion instantly. They may not be able to explain why. They just sense something doesn't line up. This is why strong branding makes you stand out even in crowded industries. You're no longer competing with 12 other people offering the same service. You're offering your version, shaped by your values, your beliefs, your approach, your story. No one can copy that. Competitors can copy your marketing. They cannot copy your brand. And here's another psychological principle from persuasion. People trust consistency. A brand creates that consistency. When your message, tone, visuals, and values match across all touch points, people feel safe choosing you. They think, this business knows who they are. And if they know who they are, they probably know how to help me. Marketing doesn't create that trust. Branding does. Now, a big misunderstanding is thinking branding is only for big companies. That's completely false. Small businesses need branding even more because when you have fewer resources, fewer ads, fewer followers, your brand is what multiplies your effort. It lets one piece of content do the work of 10. It lets one referral turn into 5. It lets one satisfied customer become a cheerleader for your business. This is why some small businesses grow rapidly, while others stay stuck for years. The ones that grow have a brand, not just a service. Another misconception is thinking branding is something you do once. It's not. Branding is like fitness. You don't finish it. You grow into it. You refine it. You shape it as your business evolves and your customers evolve. The businesses that stay relevant for decades aren't the ones that market the most. They're the ones that evolve their brand identity while staying true to their core. Now let's talk about when to focus on branding versus marketing. If you're in a phase where you're trying to define who you are, who you help, and what makes you different, your focus should be branding. But if you already know your identity and you're ready to reach more people, that's when marketing becomes the priority. And the magic happens when both work together. Branding builds meaning, marketing builds momentum. You might rebrand when the market changes, when your business shifts direction, or when you're attracting the wrong audience. You might shift into heavier marketing during product launches, seasonal campaigns, or high opportunity periods. The key is balance. Branding makes your marketing land. Marketing makes your brand visible. So let's bring this all together in a simple picture. Branding answers who are you and why should anyone care? Marketing answers how do we tell them? Branding is meaning. Marketing is message. Branding is long-term. Marketing is short-term. Get the branding wrong and all your marketing becomes noise. Get the branding right and even small marketing efforts create big results. And I want you to have a brand that actually sells, a brand people trust, remember, and talk about. That's why, like I mentioned earlier, I've got a free gift for you. It's called Essential Business Branding, and it walks you through the exact steps to create a brand identity that helps your marketing work 10 times better. It's simple, practical, and perfect for business owners who want clarity, confidence, and real traction without wasting time or money. You can download it for free using the link below. All right, if you're serious about taking your business to the next level, book a call with us. And if you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs it.